So, hi and welcome to our platform at businessbykothari.com. If you are a student willing to prepare for Business Accelerated, that is AS and A2 levels combined, and let's say you want to prepare, and definitely you are here at the website, you just clicked the Enroll Now button. So, this video is going to help you on how you can actually get prepared for your Business Accelerated. So, when you go for an accelerated, these are two levels that you are preparing for, AS and A2. And let's say if you want to prepare with us at Business by Kothari, there are two options that you have. Option number one, you can purchase the course packs for AS and A2 levels. You will have to purchase both the course packs. And in that course pack, basically, you get access to all the video lectures, all the support resources, and that will be self-paced. You can then start to watch the videos, you can start to complete your assignments, and that will be completely self-paced. So that is one way to prepare for your Business Accelerated when you go for a course pack. Second option is you can also purchase and register for our live online classes. Okay, what happens is you enroll for AS and A2 level batches, online batches. The classes will be held through Zoom. We are going to get connected twice a week, and then I'm going to give you the directions on how to actually start preparing, what chapters to see, what lectures to watch, it's step-by-step guidance. So the second option for you is you can enroll for our live online batch for Business Excel, that is AS and A2 both. So, and I'm really looking forward to be part of your learning journey. I'm really looking forward to support you and guide you on how you can actually go about and start preparing for your Business Accelerated. And really looking forward to be part of your journey. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being on the website. And let me tell you, once you get enrolled yourself, then you're going to get connected to the community of students. A lot of students like you who want to prepare for Business Accelerated. You will be in contact with them also. So you get that support of our community as well. So really looking forward to see you in the registered course and see you around. Thank you.